The quarter panel emblems often get pitted and corroded over the years. Finding a fresh replacement can prove very challenging. Fortunately, we've got a perfect reproduction of the original. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1965 through 70 Cadillac quarter panel emblems. These precisely die-cast quarter panel emblems are identical to original equipment for all 65 through 70 Coupe DeVille models. You can purchase them individually or in a complete two-piece set for straightforward installation. Each emblem is manufactured in case-hardened steel tooling to produce clean and crisp lines. Show-quality chrome plating adds to the authentic appearance. In addition, we include the correctly located mounting pins for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.